Hey everybody, welcome back. I have this little canvas and easel that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to do a cute little project with it. So I'm going to use the reverse canvas method, which I've used before, and that's basically taking the canvas off the wood that it's stapled to. And the wood is going to act as a frame. You'll see what I mean in just a moment. So I'm going to start by removing as much of the staples that I can. They all don't have to come out, but it's just a little bit easier if you get most of the staples out. So once you can get the staples out, again, it's okay if you can't get them all. I take a razor blade and I am cutting the canvas along each side. And now I'm going to pull the canvas away from the wood, and then I will also pull the canvas that has the staples still in it. They'll actually come out easier when you do it this way. The staples will. So you'll see that in just a moment. So I want to make sure I get all of the canvas off. It's still okay if staples are still in and you can't get them out. This will be the back side, you won't see them anyway. And just be careful when you're removing the staples, don't hurt yourself. So I printed this really pretty picture of this bird on my printer, and I'm going to cut it out. And I measured it to approximately the size of the canvas, maybe slightly bigger, because once it's cut out, I will actually Mod Podge the picture to the canvas. And I'm applying a generous amount of Mod Podge here. So now I'm going to put the picture on top of the Mod Podge and just press it down to make sure I get all the wrinkles out and that it's on there nice and smooth. Now to seal it, I'm going to put another layer of Mod Podge on top and then give it a good dry. I decided I wanted to change the color of the frame. Now you can paint this, but I wanted to keep it a natural look, but I wanted to darken it. So I'm using Waverly Antiquing Wax and a wipe, and I'm just putting the wax on all over the place. It's giving that stained look, and I'm going around all the edges and on the inside. And I also do that with the easel as well. So I have the wood frame on the bottom and then the canvas on top, and I'm taking my staple gun and carefully going around the edges and stapling that canvas back onto the wood frame. And I just want to make sure it's tight, so I pull it before I staple it. And I will go all around to make sure that the canvas is secure. When I'm all done stapling, the canvas will be slightly bigger, so I'm going to cut off the excess for a nice clean edge. Look how cute this looks already. And that about does it for this project. I think it turned out super cute. You can do this for any time of year. You can have one for each season if you wanted to. Thanks all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.